back with another video. Today we're going to doing a little review of my slammed Honda Accord. I've posted videos before in the past about it, but we're going to revisit it since I've done a few things off camera. But yeah, let me go ahead and be quiet and show y'all some B-roll footage of it. Guys, so there's some footage of the car, how it sits now. I know it's been about 2 years since I've put out a video on it, but it's still pretty much the same. Oh, you can definitely tell it sits a little lower. I got the windows tinted. I done 15 all the way around, and I believe 35 on the shield from a guy that's local. He dropped it off, or I dropped it off to him, and he tinted it. So shout out to Matt Ward. Does a pretty good job. He's the one that done my truck, and he done my wife's car too. So I did install a sub, but I haven't driven the car lately, so the battery died. So I'll get some footage of that in a later video if y'all are interested to see the sub setup. But it's I believe a 10-inch, yeah, a 10-inch preset box that was already made up, and I just ordered it off of eBay. It was like 150 bucks. Came with the amp and all the wiring and a 10-inch sub. So I'll show you a clip of it, but I don't have any footage of it playing. But overall, it's a good little setup for this car. It really goes good with the door speakers that I put in the last video I made of this car. I still have the touchscreen unit. It's held up pretty good over the years. Other than that, everything else is done to the outside, and I'll go around and show you that. Alright, so on the outside of the car, still looks the same. I did end up getting clear headlights, and I bought a factory painted bumper. Overall, it looks good. It's just the paintwork on the car. It needs some work. I did end up getting drilled and slotted rotors with ceramic brakes, but as you can see, they're rusty. This is a cheap little Amazon pickup. I did lower the car. I lowered it with 2-inch drop springs all the way around. I don't know if you can see in there or not, but you might see better from the front. Right there. 2-inch True Heart lowering springs. I did end up getting some new tires for the stocks. But overall, that's pretty much the car as it sits now. It's still a daily for the most part when I get back to work. If not, I'm gonna end up turning it into a little race car, do some stuff to it, put some exhaust on it, probably get some wheels for it, stance it and slam it. But other than that, though, that's pretty much how the car looks, how it sits. Haven't done anything performance wise, but that'll definitely be next on the list if y'all are interested in checking out any more of my footage on this car. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. But yeah, like I said, that's pretty much it for the video. Make sure you guys, subscribe, like, comment. I know a lot of you guys don't have me subscribed yet, but if you're interested in car content, truck content, different product reviews and stuff like that, just what I do, make sure you stick along, you know, follow it out for the ride. That's it for this video. I'll catch y'all next video. Peace.